अगर आप हमारा वीडियो देख रहे हैं, ये वीडियो पसंद आएगा तो चैनल को लाइक करना है, सब्सक्राइब करना है, ज़रूर बेल आइकन प्रेस करके रखना है ताकि मेरा जो भी वीडियो अपलोड करेगा आपको पास नोटिफिकेशन आएगा, आप लोग को वीडियो देख सकते हैं। 10 lines on parrot. First line, parrot is a pet bird. Second line, it is very beautiful. It is very beautiful. It has green feathers. It has green feathers. Fourth line, it has red beak. It has red beak. Fifth line, it lives on trees. It lives on trees. Sixth line, it flies in flocks. It flies in flocks. Seventh line, it eats grains, fruits and vegetables. It eats grains, fruits, vegetables, etc. Eighth line, it likes to eat chili. It likes to eat chili. Ninth line, it talks like human. It talks like human. So last line, parrots are good learner. Parrots are good learner. Thank you.